A trustworthy VPN does give you additional privacy and security from spying eyes to find out who you are, where you are, and what you're doing. It can also help you to access content blocked in your country. Depending on how you use the internet, a free VPN may be all that you need. So coming up, I'll count down the top 5 best VPNs that you can use for free on Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. This year we have a new #1 pick for you to try out. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown, coming in at number 5 is Hotspot Shield. For each of these, I'll be going over the pros and cons to help you make a more informed decision. With Hotspot Shield, it's a good one for beginners with programs and apps that are easy to get set up and use. On their free plan, the data limit is up to 500 megabytes per day. Adding up their daily limits, that would be around 15 gigabytes per month. Unfortunately, unused data each day does not carry over to the next day. Based in the United States, there is some logging of your data, but they claim that the data collected can't be used to identify its users. With their free plan, it is ad-supported. Only one device can be connected at a time, and you're limited to the server located closest to you, which is fine for privacy, but may limit you trying to access geo-blocked content. If you can live with those limitations, Hotspot Shield is available on the free plan for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and has an extension for Chrome. Hide.me in the number 4 spot steps things up. This one has a strict no logging policy and is completely ad-free. And because they're based in Malaysia, they're not required by any legal authority to hand over its users' data when requested. Whether you're a free or paid user, if you ever need any help, technical assistance is available 24/7. And unlike some of its free competitors, the load times are quick because there is no throttling of the bandwidth speed. While the 10 gigabyte data limit on the free plan is reasonable, there are limitations. Only one device can be connected at a time, and there's a limit of 8 server locations. Those servers are located in the United States, Canada, Singapore, and the Netherlands. Hide.me is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, along with apps for smart TVs, and has browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. Coming in at number 3 is Windscribe. This VPN, based in Canada, is quite generous. It offers many of its premium features in their free plan as well. The privacy policy is excellent, with no logging of your data. While they do store your username, it's immediately erased 3 minutes after you end your session. They also do a good job of unblocking geo-restricted content in more than 60 countries. With a confirmed email, they offer 10 gigabytes of data per month. Otherwise, the limit is 2 gigabytes. There's no limit to the number of devices connected simultaneously. A downside is technical support is not offered 24/7 for both the free and premium plans. In addition to the programs, mobile apps, and browser extensions that they have available for any platform you can think of, Windscribe is also available for the TV platforms Android TV, Apple TV, and Amazon's Fire TV. Real quickly, before we get to our top 2, here's a few bonus picks that might be worth your time to check out. The first bonus pick is TunnelBear, which is based in Canada and owned by the American security software company McAfee. While it is user-friendly, its free monthly data limit is only up to 2 gigabytes. But if you don't need much data, it might work for you. TunnelBear is available for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and has browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Avira Phantom, based in Germany, on the positive side, on their free plan, does allow for unlimited device connections, but the data limit per month is a paltry 500 megabytes. Its availability is somewhat limited. It's only available for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Our last bonus pick, NordVPN, is not free. I'll just mention it here quickly for those of you who ask what paid VPN I use. It's based in Panama, outside of the jurisdictions of intelligence agencies, and it's really easy to use. It's well known for being one of the best for privacy and security. It has fast speeds with unlimited data and does a great job of accessing geo-restricted content. It's available for just about any platform you can think of. It even has apps for the MetaQuest, Android TV, Fire TV, along with gaming console apps for the Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. Its pricing is relatively inexpensive, with plans that start around $3 per month. The plan I subscribe to is the Plus plan. If you want to check out NordVPN, I'll put a link to this one in the description of this video as well. Back to the countdown, in the runner-up spot, coming in at number 2 is Proton VPN. This one stands out for offering a large number of quality features and outstanding privacy. While most of the free VPNs mentioned do have data limits, Proton VPN gives you unlimited data. It's also ad-free, and you're protected by the privacy laws of Switzerland, where it's based. There are limitations on the free plan. Its bandwidth speed is throttled, and only one device can be connected at a time. While they do have servers in more than 110 countries, only 5 of those countries are available for free, and you can't select the server you want. They're randomly selected. Also, peer-to-peer support is restricted. If you can live with those limitations and are only concerned about privacy and security with no data limits and want to use Proton VPN, it's available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and Chromebook with browser extensions for Firefox and Chrome. Coming in at number 1, the best VPN you can use for free is Privado VPN. This one is also based in Switzerland, with some of the strongest privacy laws outside of the jurisdiction of the United States and European Union. They have a strict zero-log policy, meaning that none of your data is ever stored on their servers that could possibly be accessed by hackers or used against you by any legal authority. You get access to servers in 10 countries, and you get to select the server you want. They also give you 10 gigabytes of data per month at high speed. After using the 10 gigabytes, the speed is throttled. It's also good at unblocking streaming services like Netflix and does support peer-to-peer services. The only downside is a one-device connection limit. Privado VPN is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. They also have a Chrome extension that can be used with any Chromium-based browser, along with apps for smart TVs and routers. On their site, they also have handy setup guides for some of the apps they offer. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Let us know in the comments which free VPN is your favorite and why. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest top 5s and other tech-related stuff.